Alright, video 2. Race bike. Shit bike. Indian bike. Killer bike. Yes. I've been posting videos for a month now. Those are not new videos, you dumbasses. Can't you tell I can't work? Can barely move my arm. What the hell do you think I am? Superman? Takes time to heal. We're 9 weeks right now, and I just got done cutting this all open again, so I'm down for another month or two. It's going to be a 4-month deal at least. So that means I'm not working on new bikes or anything else. I might do some eBay crap videos in a month, but not now. I hurt too much. I do have a year's worth of eBay crap videos to post though, so I have a lot of those. So when you see new videos, they're not new videos. They're just newly uploaded, new posted ones. They are old videos. They're from last year. So they're all old. And there's work from a year ago too. That means 24. Yeah, there's still work waiting to be done. Posted. So right now this Indian is in bad shape like me. Let me see if I can get this camera off with one hand and not break anything. And that hand is the broken hand too. Because in case you think this is a good hand, it's got 3 broken bones in it. Alright. So, it's too damn cold to work out here too. Of course I'm doing videos at 10:30 at night and it's 64 degrees. There you go. Okay, this is what the Indian currently looks like. Now, the videos I just got done posting last night, or the night before, I forget because I sleep 20 hours plus a day. That hurts holding that arm up too for the camera. Is I got the bike running and rideable, which means I did everything on the bike to make it run good. That means that motor, powertrain is working, and it works right now. If I had any gas in the tank to start it, it would start and run good. And it would try to go down the road, except it won't roll very good because the front end's fucked up. But it would light that tire up. So, those are the videos you're watching right now. That's why it's got dirt all over it. Plus it's got dirt on it again because I crashed it, but it's the same dirt. So, this front end is junk, needs a new front end. This side of the bike here is good. We showed these before. No damage except for that saddlebag way back there. See, that's the damage from me riding the bike right there. See that little damage? Now how that got damaged only in that corner and one behind it and nowhere else on the side of the bike, I don't know. The only that dent on the side of the bike is right here. It's a scrape mark, and this is from the fork hitting it. So, this was a ground level right here, this angle. That's it. No marks on the side of the bike. Fender's junk, forks are junk, or tubes are junk anyway. Trees might be straight, they are straightenable. Cowling is not too good, light's gone. Fender light got crushed. Brake rotor might be straight, don't know. It got hit pretty good. Fender wrapped around rotor, it might be bent. But it's fine other than that. Take the fender off, straighten the fork, I can move the bike around, get it out of here, get it in storage. That's the plan. This side of the bike didn't get hit. The back of the taillight lens on the top of that rack have little scrape marks on them. I don't know how they got scrape marks without breaking because the bike would have been upside down vertical to do those marks. And I'm pretty sure those taillight lens would have broke as soon as you put any pressure on it. But, oh well, it's got marks on it. This has no marks anywhere on this side of the bike. The handlebars are still pretty damn straight. I haven't done anything to them, and they are bent back, what, about a ½ inch to an inch here? At most. That's all I got bent. That fucking hurts. This shoulder over here. Right here. Does not like holding camera like this. It hurts badly. It's pain. Hope you guys appreciate pain, because it's a lot of pain to make these stupid videos right now. It also takes forever to post videos. It's 2 to 3 minutes of my time posting every minute of the video you watch, not counting the all night it takes for the upload to YouTube. So when you're watching those videos that are 10 minutes long, it takes me a ½ hour to post the damn things. And I don't get paid for it, so quit sniveling. Alright, so this bike here is going to get worked on at some point because I got to get out of the shop here so I got room to do what I want to work on, not this. Now, the Harley parts of this bike are great. The Indian parts are garbage. So, the powertrain is great. The chassis sucks. The sheet metal sucks. So, there you go. Harley motor tranny worked good. It's even got a Harley clutch in it now, too. So, there you go. So, That's how this works. Indian junk, Harley good. So, problem was I was riding the Indian part. That's the part that tried to kill me. Oh well. So, I will be posting more videos of me doing all the chassis work on the bike to make it handle good. Because it didn't handle very good before. It wanted to go in the wobbles and throw you off the bike. The front end was brand new before I got to it. Then I redid it again. I fixed the back of the bike that had issues. Just watch the videos. So there's a lot of things I fixed on the bike to make it handle better. The problem is I think it handled worse after I fixed it because it threw me off at 100 miles an hour, and I had the bike going more than 100 miles an hour in that last video you just saw. So I don't know what happened. I still don't know what happened. So it is what it is. It's got issues. This frame's got to be taken. This frame has to be cut. The whole front of the frame has to be cut back off and welded on straight. Or put a whole nother frame under it. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, but it needs to be fixed. The wheel is 3/4 of an inch off of where it should be before the accident. So that would be in the videos you watch. You'll see the wheel alignment I had problems with. That in itself would not make the bike do what it did. My single cylinder bike is off 3/4 of an inch and it handles great. So I offset it on purpose to make it handle better. So this bike here don't handle very well. So we'll have to figure this out, what's going on with it. Either way, it's got to completely come down to bare frame at some point. That will not be happening this year, probably. Well, it ain't happening this year. It's 25. Next year probably won't happen either, but maybe another year I might take it apart, but probably not. Probably another year after that before I get to it. But anyway, it's going to be a down the road project. At some point I'll put it back together for nothing else for sale, so if somebody wants an Indian to try to kill you, we'll have one. But anyway, if I get it handling correctly and all that like it should be, I'll race it again. But you got to get it where it handles correctly first before I even sell it. I'm not going to sell something that's going to go out and kill somebody. That's stupid. So anyway, we'll work on this. It's a work in project. Work in progress, that's what it's called. So these new videos you're going to be seeing over the next, next month or so. I got a month's worth of videos to post. Will be me working on the chassis and doing a bunch of other stuff and all that. Little test riding, little tuning, stuff like that. So anyway, we'll do that. All this other videos that I have to do, that I've worked on the shop out here. If the pictures don't look like this in the video, they're old videos. Oh, there's a surprise up there. What happened inside the Indian? It's in the video. You'll see what happened. It's hidden for now. Secret. You'll see it. So anyway, the shop is kind of empty right now for me doing anything important. Of course, I do have more junk parts. I got a lot of eBay crap videos to do. Not that many. There's some eBay crap that I got. It wasn't eBay crap. It was customer crap. Bought crap. Left crap. It's more crap. Got a lot of crap around here. But anyway, crap is anything I don't use. When I use it, it's valuable parts. That's how that works. In case you didn't understand my terminology for stuff yet. There's a lot of crap all over the place. See all that crap over there on the shelves? It's been there for 40 years plus. Yeah, it's still going to stay there for another 40 years because it's my crap. You ain't getting it. Get your own crap. But anyway, so you will be seeing more of this Indian being worked on a lot. And some of the stuff is sketchy because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. Obviously, it didn't work very well because it tried to kill me. Don't know why. Still don't know why. Yet to be determined. 2 months of sitting thinking about it hasn't cured the problem yet. I still don't know why it threw me off the bike. There was no reason for it. Still don't know why. So, we'll figure it out. At some point, we will figure this problem out. So, anyway, so you'll be seeing more videos of this thing. And when there's no more videos showing me going to the track, that will be the last video because I already showed the videos from the track. I'm going to try to get the video where I got thrown off the bike. I know there's a video out there. See if I can get a copy of it. I'll put that into the series if I can find it. If I can get a usable copy of it. But anyway, it's out there someplace in video land. So, see me bouncing down the track. I want to see it so I can see kind of what the bike was doing, but I know that the front end was going straight, and the ass end was going 2 to 3 foot side to side, because that was the marks on the ground before it threw me off. So the front end was tracking correctly. The back end was extremely loose. So whatever causes that, I don't know. Talked to a few people about it, and they don't know either, so it is what it is. So steering damper's on full stiff. I've been told that's good or bad. All I know is it was locked down pretty good. There wasn't any problem riding it. I rode around the street like that just fine, so it's not too stiff to ride around on. It is stiff. But it wobbled like crazy with no dampener too, so don't give me that excuse. It wobbles anyway. So, alright, anyway, that's where we're at. So, we're going to go ahead and go back inside when it's warmer. Once again, like I said, if you want some parts or something, look me up. I like making money, someplace to live on. I'm going to try to get my website up, tatromachine.com, and get the, I don't know if you're looking at me, get the t-shirt videos up, and sweatshirts, and hoodies, and stuff like that. Everything except hats. The hats are up right now. So if you want a hat, they're available. Plenty of caps. A lot of ball caps. But all this other crap I wear, no, it's not up. So I'm going to try to get that listed up this next week. Hopefully. That'll be time for some Christmas purchases if you need them. And I'd rather do that than try to do individual sales, because individual sales take me forever. I got stuff, individual sales I haven't been sitting for 10 months waiting to be finished. I haven't done it yet. Always get drug off. So anyway, that's where we're at. So enjoy the videos, and I'll be posting them as I can. But at some point I got to work on my other stuff. So there'll be some days I don't videotape every day, or post videos every day. But I'll try to do them at least every couple days. At least some videos, 5 to 10 at a time, and get them up. Sometimes I might go 2 or 3 days without doing anything. It's just a matter of time. So anyway, I'll get stuff up to you as much as I can. So anyway, feel free to call. I like talking on the phone. People make me up all day and night. I don't care. Most of the time I can't sleep anyway. So, and like I said, if you need help or parts or anything like that, you can do that. I do have a help talk line. I'm supposed to get paid, but nobody ever pays me. But anyway, we'll get that up there. If you want to donate money to me, go to the video. There's links to it. Or go to my website. Maybe eventually I'll put a link up how I get donations. But for now, yeah, I don't know how to do it. All right. Anyway, we'll talk to you down the road. I'm not dead yet. Working on it though. All right. Bye.